Your breakfast depends on thousands of complete strangers. People you've never met. People you'll probably never meet. And somehow, they all made it possible.
Huh?
Your Patrol!
You wake up. The lights turn on. Water comes out of the tap. The internet works. You make breakfast. So ordinary that you barely think about it. But your morning routine is one of humanity's greatest achievements. Take this loaf of bread. It didn't appear here by magic. A farmer grew the wheat. Someone built the tractor. Someone repaired it. Someone produced the fuel. Someone milled the flour. Someone baked the bread. A truck driver delivered it. Someone stocked the shelf. Someone keeps the lights on. And that's, just one loaf of bread.
Huh?
Now, imagine one ordinary morning. The trucks don't arrive. Maybe the mechanics couldn't repair the trucks. Maybe fuel wasn't delivered. Maybe enough workers stayed home. The refrigerators stopped. The supermarket doesn't become empty because of one disaster. It becomes empty because enough small jobs stop happening. And suddenly, your normal day isn't so normal anymore. Here's the strange part. No single person knows how to create your breakfast. The farmer can't build the truck. The truck driver can't repair the power station. The engineer probably doesn't know how to grow wheat. But together, they can do something none of them could do alone. So why doesn't society collapse every morning? Some people lie. Some people cheat. Some people steal. But most people don't. Not because humans are perfect, but because cooperation usually works better. If the baker cheats everyone, people stop buying bread. If the mechanic fixes nothing, nobody comes back. If the truck driver never delivers, he doesn't get paid. Civilization quietly rewards cooperation. Millions of times every single day. But how do millions of strangers cooperate without even knowing each other? Money. We often think people work for money, but money is really something else. It's a promise. A promise that someone, somewhere, will give you something valuable in return. It allows trust to travel. The baker doesn't know the farmer. The farmer doesn't know the truck driver. The truck driver doesn't know you. But every one of them trusts that this little piece of paper, or even a few numbers on a screen, will still matter tomorrow. So who really made your breakfast? Not one farmer. Not one baker. Not one supermarket. But thousands of ordinary people. Doing ordinary jobs. Most of them will never meet. And yet, they work together. Every single day. So tomorrow morning, when you make breakfast, or buy a loaf of bread, take 1 second and look around. The lights, the roads, the shelves, the coffee. It isn't ordinary. It's one of humanity's greatest achievements. Millions of invisible agreements. Millions of strangers. One civilization. That works so well, we stop noticing it. Maybe that's the greatest compliment we can give it. And that's why your breakfast exists. This has been Lore Patrol.
Your Patrol!
Subscribe and thank your local truck driver.